In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Amazon business account to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're looking to streamline your business operations or simply trying to keep a more organized track of your financial activities, linking these two platforms can significantly ease your accounting process. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your QuickBooks Online dashboard and glance over at the left panel. Here, you'll see an option labeled Apps. This is your gateway to integrating a multitude of tools that can enhance your accounting experience. Go ahead and click on Apps. This will take you to a section where you can discover various applications designed to work seamlessly with QuickBooks. Next, you'll want to focus on the Find Apps tab that's prominently displayed. Selecting this tab allows you to search for specific applications, catering to your business needs. In the search bar, type in Amazon Business and initiate the search. You should see several options, but the one we're interested in will be quite clear. Click on the option for Amazon Business to move forward. Now, you'll be taken to the detailed app page. This page is informative and crucial as it provides all the details and features associated with connecting your Amazon Business account to QuickBooks Online. It's beneficial to spend a moment here to understand the capabilities and enhancements this integration offers. You might find useful features like automated transaction updates and straightforward ways to categorize your expenses directly from your Amazon purchases. Once you've familiarized yourself with what this integration can offer, it's time to proceed. Navigate to the top right of this app page where you'll find a button that says Get App Now. Click this button to begin the process of acquiring the integration. At this stage, QuickBooks will guide you through the authentication process. This is an essential step to ensure secure and proper linking of your Amazon business account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. These will commonly include logging into your Amazon account and granting necessary permissions for data sharing between the two platforms. The interface is user-friendly, and if you follow along carefully, you'll breeze through this step in no time. And that's all there is to it. Your Amazon business account is now connected to QuickBooks Online, paving the way for a more streamlined accounting experience. This integration is a fantastic tool for automating parts of your bookkeeping, helping you save time and reduce manual errors in tracking transactions. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to explore more ways to optimize your business operations with QuickBooks Online.